T-levels boosters and sexual performance enhancers usually come at a steep price, and you don't even have the guarantee that they'll render good results. The Krygen XL proves that you can have both potent ingredients, and a fair price for reaching your athletic and personal objectives. Krygen XL has now become the best-priced and best-reviewed male enhancement supplement in the UK. Why choose a male enhancement supplement like Krygen XL? Increase libido and sex drive. Increase energy and stamina. Better erections. Increase sexual confidence. The Krygen XL's new and improved formula helps rev your sexual system into its top shape by helping you achieve harder erections, ramping up your stamina and power in bed, and helping you perform at your peak. Get your hands on the first bottle of the Krygen XL sent out to you for free anywhere in the UK.